LED tape is a form of continuous lighting and can be used for both task and ambient applications, depending on the specification chosen. Task lighting is defined as operational lighting that provides enough brightness to help you complete required daily tasks. The main considerations when it comes to task lighting is that it is bright enough and fit for purpose. Ambient lighting is secondary to task lighting and is often indirect. It can be used to add softness and texture to your lighting scheme or to accentuate certain features in a room. There are two ways of installing LED tape, on its own or in an aluminium profile. All view LED tape comes with 3M VHB adhesive tape on the reverse. This allows it to be installed without the requirement for additional fitting apparatus such as screws. 3M VHB is the strongest adhesive tape on the market and will offer peace of mind and maximum longevity. Scenarios in which you would install LED tape on its own are where the LED tape will not be visible, only the effect of the lighting will be seen, for example over cabinets in a kitchen, where you are attempting to keep costs low and do not mind seeing visible LED diodes. In an aluminium profile. Aluminium profiles have several benefits when used with LED tape. Firstly, they improve the aesthetics and overall finish of the light source by concealing the actual LED tape. Secondly, certain profiles diffuse the light from the LED tape, producing a continuous effect and ensuring the diodes are not visible. In addition, aluminium profiles will act as a heat sink, drawing unwanted heat from the LED tape and therefore furthering the efficiency and lifespan of the product. Scenarios in which you would install LED tape in an aluminium profile are when you want to achieve a contemporary and clean finish on your lighting installation. If you are installing LED tape over shiny surfaces, this avoids the LED diodes in the tape being reflected upwards by the shiny surface and ensures only a strip of light can be seen. If you would like to recess LED tape into a space. If you want to angle your LED tape, for example, where lighting is installed under cabinets in a kitchen, an angle profile can be used which will help to project the lighting across the entire work surface. For other alternative lighting installations, for example, installing lighting into stairs, into arched locations or under kitchen worktops.